He slowed down. It's easy to slow things down. Pull him in. And he speeds back up again. Okay, now just rotate it over. All the way over, all the way over. There we go. That's the second can that it went through. They just float. And if I hit it right, I can get it to spin. But the thing is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. What you're hearing, you're applying heat to the water until finally it boils at its high temperature and starts to rise, which is kind of cool, right? Michaela is extremely brave.